Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Jerry here with Tiki 7-1. I am out of cinnamon syrup, and this is actually a key ingredient in tiki drinks like distinguished spirits, pina colada, and many others. So it's actually very easy to make. I'm going to show you how. Come along and let's get it done. For this drink, you're only going to need about 3 ingredients. 16 ounces of water, 16 ounces of raw or demerara sugar, and 4 cinnamon sticks. Add the sugar and the water into a saucepan. Next, we'll crack those cinnamon sticks in half and we'll add those. Now crank that heat up and stir the sugar with a wooden spoon to help melt it. I like to use one with a flat edge myself, that way I can keep everything off of the bottom. We're going to keep it on high heat until we get a good boil going. Next, we're going to reduce to low and we're going to let it reduce for a couple of minutes. After that, shut the heat off and cover it and let it sit for a couple of hours. This is going to allow all of that cinnamon goodness to really infuse into the syrup. After your 2 hours is up, I'll usually add about a ½ ounce or so of vodka to all of my created syrups. That's going to help it store better. Next, you'll want to strain the syrup into your bottle using a strainer. Once I've got it corked up, I'll keep it in our Tiki bar fridge and it's ready to go. By the way, if you leave the cinnamon out, you just made yourself simple syrup. Thanks for watching, and Okule Maluna.